Welcome back, friends. This is part 4, the grand finale of our magical Disney adventure. We've taken you along as we've tackled a Disney cruise and Disney World with our twin toddlers and baby in tow and a whole lot of family. In this final episode, we are going out with a bang. In this video, we get 2 first haircuts on Main Street, USA, explore the wild wonders of Animal Kingdom, try some brand new Disney eats, and wrap it all up in Toy Story Land at Hollywood Studios with one last dose of Disney magic. It's a sweet, fun, emotional end to our unforgettable family trip. You won't want to miss this one. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and let's make one more round of memories together. Morning, Harper. Where are we headed this morning?
School.
Where are we headed today? Magic Kingdom! Hey, what are you gonna get today? Are you gonna get your first haircut? Wow! Hudson! Let's go, Hud! Magic Kingdom! Say castle!
Oh.
There's the castle. You're so smart.
Mama's in her spot.
Magic Kingdom!
Kids have been hyped for this ride. They're ready. Hudson!
Harper, are you tall enough?
Yeah.
What ride is this?
Goofy Sportstorm.
There's Grandma and Grandpa.
Oh, hi, Grandpa.
Look at Grandma!
Hi, Grandma.
Where's Beckham? He's so high. Oh, there he is. Hudson, we're flying.
Beckham, you ready for the teacups? You ready? Go Hudson! Yeah, Hudson! Go Harper!
Oh, they grew up so fast. Better start saving for those twin cars now.
Harper!
I did not crash.
How was it?
Good.
Good. You guys did so good.
Grandma did it with. I did it because I passed.
Get him, Hudson. Harper's tall enough for my cart. Just barely. Harper! You're tall enough for the minecart ride.
Is she the youngest baby in the family or no?
No. Yay!
Harper, you ready? Ooh, look at that.
I'm gonna all smile.
Fire and light.
Yay, girlie! She did it! Harper!
Whoa.
Oh my goodness, are you kidding?
Harper, what'd you get? Yeah.
We're eating at Crystal Palace with Winnie the Pooh and friends.
The kids are focused.
Thank you, baby. Oh. Oh, we love you. We brought Puppy just to show you, Piglet. We're so excited. Oh, it's Pooh Bear. We love you so much, Pooh. Oh, Puppy, sit by. Oh. Give a huggy. It's so sweet. Oh.
He's ready.
Oh
He looks like he's about to be asleep.
We got one down, one with a lot of energy. One, are you almost asleep? Okay. Grandma's almost asleep too, but she.
This weather is a swimming pool.
Well, let's go. Hi, Dad.
Hello. We are cruising, baby. We are sweating and cruising.
Okay, we're back in the room. My dad and Matt and Abby just left for the airport, so it's just me and Alec and the 3 kids and my mom for the next couple days. Heyo. Beckham just went down for a nap. Alec's gonna go down for a nap. I could sleep for 17 years if I fell asleep right now, but I'm gonna go take the kids to the pool. Who's going to the pool?
Show off that paw.
Who's going to the pool? Whoa! Here he comes!
We just got in Polynesian. Mama's already putting in work, trying to get a spot for us at the table. We're going to Wailulu.
All right, tonight we are at the Polynesian Resort. We are eating at the new Wailulu Grill at the new Island Tower. It's a new Disney Vacation Club tower. It is stunning. I think this is one of the prettiest Disney resorts I have ever seen. It is gorgeous. I feel like I'm in a luxury resort in Maui. Like, I want to stay here now. This is incredible. Obviously a ton of Moana influence, but there's little Easter eggs everywhere, like Tafiti's Terrace, there's Tamatoa, there's Moana, everywhere. And if you look closely, you might even spot a hidden Minnie or Mickey. Stunning! This restaurant is gorgeous. I think I already mentioned it's new. We've got like a booth right by the water, prime seating. We were supposed to eat at Skipper's Canteen tonight in Magic Kingdom because we were gonna try to stay out for the fireworks at 9:20. Not happening. There's no way. So we canceled that, even though I was excited for Skipper's Canteen, but I think the food here is gonna be really good. Camera eats first.
All right, apps. Sticky ribs.
Ahi tuna crisp.
Ahi tuna crisp. Let's go, baby.
Look at this short rib loco moco.
Oh, Mom, that looks so good.
It does. And Alec got the Wayfinder burger. The baby was done, but look how happy he is.
Look at that Dole Whip sundae.
Look at it.
Beckham's ready.
Crazy. One more. More. That was fabulous. Yes.
You're welcome, Harper.
That's
Thank
okay.
you for dinner, guys.
You're welcome.
We covered that one.
And I
And that's it
appreciate
for us. We appreciate you staying with us to take care of our super well-behaved kids.
They are. They are. Except
was-
they're tired. Heck, I'm tired.
I'm tired. I'm about to act up too.
Tell me
Keep
one more
rolling
thing
along,
and I'm
bro.
going to start crying.
What was the highlight?
No, everything was good. There's nothing bad. I ate nothing bad.
I say the Dole Whip was
The Dole Whip sundae was really good.
That was good.
I got a Mai Tai to drink. It was this big and cost like $20. So like,
Looking straight ahead.
just don't. That was a waste of money. But everything else was fantastic.
Animal Kingdom Day.
Jumbo.
Mommy's looking fresh.
Jumbo.
Fit check.
Looking sporty, ready to see some animals. The Animal Kingdom. Hi, Dad.
Hello.
Hi, Harper. You got your Chippendale clips again? Oh, and we got Ginger today. Is Ginger excited? Oh, and Puppy. Hi, Puppy. We started out strong, not letting Puppy come the first day. Quickly, we chose our battles, and Puppy has come with us ever since.
Hey, Dan.
Becca wants an elephant so badly. Say bye-bye. It's up here.
This lighting's good. Mommy's looking good.
Look at all these fish. These fish be looking good.
Oh,
Together, look, Dad.
they were playing together?
Yeah, look, right there.
Ooh.
We just did the Kilimanjaro safari. 10 out of 10. Gotta head there first thing in the morning. That's when the animals are most active. I've never seen that many animals. Nonetheless, 3 lions like running and playing around. That was really crazy. We saw so many rhinos and elephants, a baby elephant. Now we're doing the little animal nature trail. I love Expedition Everest. Kids are with Grandma. Got him some popcorn and a pretzel. Let's go, let's go. Uh-oh. Oh no, oh no. Oh no. Hudson, what'd you say?
I love this.
I love this. Go Hudson. This is a slow slide. Whoa. Okay, let's go look for dino bones.
Guys, what is this? You get to dig dino bones? Oh, look at Harper. I think she found one.
I think they could probably spend the next hour in here. But there's shade and fans. Me and my cooling towel. We're currently in the boneyard, like a dino play area in Animal Kingdom. I was going to say to you, if you're planning a Disney World trip, seriously, I don't know if I would do it if, like, you have to budget for the multi-pass now. The lightning lanes, you pay for them. It definitely adds up. Right now it's 9:45 in the morning. It's all an hour-long wait. We're just jumping on everything because we paid for the multi-pass. It like would be miserable if we came here, we paid all this money to be here, and then it's like an hour for every little tiny ride with little kids at least. If you're a grown-up, whatever, but I highly recommend budgeting now for the multi-pass when you come to Disney World.
Hudson, look, it's your turn. Hudson, you gotta show Doug your puppy. Look, he's sniffing him. Say thank you.
I've never eaten at Nomad Lounge. I've heard good things, so I'm super excited to try it. It's like a bar lounge, so it's like loungy food and then a whole bunch of like different themed cocktails and, you know, spritzers, non-alcoholic things as well.
Mama's got the spot.
I know, look at this. Where's your pin? Look. Who is that?
Doug.
Is that Marie with Boba?
Little guy couldn't hang.
He woke up so early this morning, but honestly, it's fine. Look at these chicken skewers with peanut sauce and this poke bowl. Yum. Our bread service. Look, all the dipping sauces. Parmesan cheesy bread. Should we do a taste test, Harper? Guava goes with the cheese bread. Harper, you want to try a bite of cheese bread?
Heather loves Brazil cheese bread.
Ooh, we got the wide eye. Hudson, what do you think of the guava?
Oh, really? Let's just say like 75.
That was excellent. I had never been there before and I would definitely come back. The bread service, the poke bowl, chicken skewers, the drinks were all fantastic. It opens at 10:30. There's like a line that starts here on the bridge. I was at the end of the line and I got right in, eating on the patio. It was perfect. 10 out of 10. Let's go. All right, time for Navi River journey. Is Puppy excited for the river? Oh, good. One of our favorite treats here in Avatar Land is at Pongu Pongu. It's their boba. They also have a pineapple lumpia. That's super good. If they have it, I'll get it for Alec. Look at that beauty. And then I did get him the pineapple cream cheese lumpia also. Eating tonight at Summer House on the Lake. It's gorgeous in here in Disney Springs. Cheers to our last night, 10 days of Disney. Look at those deviled eggs. Potato salad deviled eggs. Yep. Nice, put your fork in. Thank you. Oh boy, wood grilled artichoke, Parmesan truffle fries. And I got my ahi watermelon tostadas.
Got her chicken fingers and her buttered peas and berries. What do you think, Harper? How does it look? Oh yeah.
She is so tired. So they have a cookie bar here. After you eat or like anytime, you come in here and pick a cookie. Look at these.
I'm gonna get this one.
My oatmeal scotchy.
Mom, look at my cookie.
Oh, Beckham wants in.
Hudson, get out of
No,
here.
Beckham.
Oh my goodness.
You want me to try it?
Ready?
Yet another 10 out of 10. Nothing was bad. 10 out of 10. Okay, tell me what you got.
Mini. That's mini. And Falcon Hug. And Lightning.
Yay!
Bringing out the big dog today. 3-child stroller.
Zoe
Let's go,
Trio,
baby.
Order through my link. All right, we're back on our last morning to see if Harper is tall enough to ride Slinky. Let's see. Harper? Who's tall enough? You are. Now we get to wait an hour for Slinky. That's Harper.
Beckham, you ready to shoot some darts?
What do you see? What do you see?
We're at the Woody's, I don't even know what it's called. We got a frozen alien drink, we got an alien Pop-Tart, and then a raspberry Pop-Tart. Hudson, tell me what you think. Oh, thumbs up. He already loves it.
All right, Hudson decided after Harper went that he was brave enough and he wanted to go. So they were so nice and let us do child swap, even though we didn't do that from the beginning. So now we don't have to wait an hour-long line again. Hudson, you're in row number 1. Hudson, here we go, dude. You did it! That was awesome. Is that fun? Yeah. Again. Oh, I know. It was so fun.
Adult Disney Junior fans in the audience today. Does you can jump? 1, 2, 3, go! There we go.
That's it, if you dance, they're gonna come out, they said.
Side to the side. Hey.
Go back up, go back up. Hudson, go.
Look at that!
Mickey Mouse! Everyone go! Next up, remember to change that gear. And of course, watch out for traffic and amazing dancers on the floor. Hold on tight, everybody. Let's go, go, go!
Hey Beckham, here we go.
First of Gator.
I sense Jedi among us. Do not think you can hide from me. You will be discovered. Welcomes you. Join me and discover your true power. Take your time, but fear not. I have already foreseen it.
Beckham.
Excellent.
Good job.
Most impressive. As you wish. You understand the power.
Let's go meet him. You wanna give him a hug?
Harper, should we take a picture? We can show Minnie Mouse. That cool. I think I saved my favorite bows for the last day. How cute. Harper, your bows are too cute. Oh, we still got pixie dust in there from your haircut and this outfit. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me with this outfit, Harper? We are eating at Rodeo Roundup Barbecue. It is a Toy Story themed lunch. It is our last thing we're doing here before we head to the airport. So hopefully it's gonna be fun. These kids are tapped. We all are, but they're really tapped. So hopefully it should be fun.
Beckham. Are you ready, Beckham?
Yard sale in the foreign territory. Guys, hold your horses. There's a yard sale.
There's a yard sale.
Roll call.
Everything here is family style. Like oh, my brain's not working. Tomato salad, these biscuits are to die for. It was a yard sale. Mint watermelon salad. Oh my goodness. 4 different kinds of meat with all these sides. Happy Unboxing Day!
Whoa, Harper! Whoa!
Happy birthday, Hudson and Harper. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Happy birthday, Hudson!
Look at all these desserts. We get to try all these.
Beckham, are you ready?
Look, they even got a cookie for you.
Beckham's ready.
Candy.
Train wranglers. Andy is approaching the rodeo.
Harper, Andy's coming. Hudson,
Grandma,
you gotta
Andy's
freeze.
coming.
I know I left it around here somewhere. Mom, have you seen my cowboy belt buckle? I can't find it. Never mind. Yeehaw!
Well done, cowboy.
We're done. We finished our lunch. We're headed out of the park. Kiki is tapped. This is a real Disney dad with his Zoe trio. This is the best stroller, you guys. If you've ever wanted to get a Zoe, take this as your sign and use my link. Okay, there you go. There is our Disney extravaganza. It's all done. Well, we have a 6-hour flight home, but I'm not going to show you guys any of that. Thanks so much for watching along on all of our family adventures. This was a blast. I'm exhausted. It will take me days to recover, and I can't wait to eat normal food that isn't pumped full of Disney magic. Bye, you guys.